Hey, fellow road enthusiasts and tech lovers. Welcome to Byte Tech Horizon channel. Today marks a pivotal moment in our quest for the ultimate road safety and recording clarity. Just when we thought dashcams couldn't get any better, the 70mm Dashcam Pro++ A500S arrives, shattering all our preconceived notions. Gone are the days of grainy night footage or missing out on crucial details during our drives. With an introduction that promises to revolutionize our driving experience, let's embark on this journey together to discover the marvels of the 70mm Dashcam. Whether you're cruising in a vintage Ford Fiesta or navigating the future in a Tesla, this dashcam is here to redefine road safety and video quality. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's dive into the future of dashcams. Imagine driving with the confidence of having a vigilant co-pilot, one that captures every detail with unparalleled clarity, day and night. The 70mm Dashcam, with its cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 sensor, promises just that. But how does it stack up against its predecessors and the competition? Stay with us as we put this dashcam through its paces, examining every feature, from its sleek design to its advanced safety features. Feeling intrigued? Don't just watch, join our community. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You're about to witness a game changer in the world of dashcams. The unboxing experience of the 70mm Dashcam is an event in itself. As we lift the lid on the premium packaging, the Dashcam greets us with its elegant design, a testament to the thoughtfulness behind its creation. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Dashcam is packed with features that scream innovation. From tactile clickable buttons that enhance user interaction to a comprehensive accessory kit including a high-quality rear cam, this package leaves no stone unturned. And yes, the return of the 4G module not only promises enhanced connectivity but also introduces us to a world where our vehicles become an extension of our digital lives. Getting started with the 70mm Dashcam is as straightforward as it gets. A quick installation and setup lead us to a user-friendly interface, available in multiple languages, making it accessible to a wider audience. The integration of the 4G module is a seamless affair, offering peace of mind through remote monitoring and instant alerts. But the real game changer here is the ADAS system, acting as a vigilant guardian, ready to warn you of any potential hazards on the road. This level of detail in setup and features sets the 70mm Dashcam apart as not just a dashcam, but a comprehensive safety device. As we delve deeper into the features, the 70mm Dashcam continues to impress. The dashcam's heart, the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, ensures that every frame is captured with the clarity and detail needed to make your footage not just watchable, but insightful. The Sony IMX335 sensor, combined with WDR and 3D DNR technologies, guarantees superior image quality, capturing every detail with precision. The inclusion of a 4G module elevates the dashcam from a passive recording device to an active security system for your vehicle, providing real-time alerts and video streaming capabilities. With the ADAS feature, driving becomes safer as it diligently warns you of lane departures, close proximities, and even pedestrians, ensuring that you're always aware of your surroundings. ADAS alerts you to potential safety hazards, ensuring your journey is as safe as possible. The crux of any dashcam review is its video quality and performance, and the 70mm Dashcam does not disappoint. The 4K resolution backed by the Sony sensor captures the road with an astounding level of detail, both during the day and in low-light conditions. With the addition of the 70mm RC06 rear camera, experience comprehensive dual-channel recording in stunning resolutions for complete driving peace of mind. The rear cam complements the front cam by covering all angles, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The 24-hour parking monitoring feature, powered by the built-in G sensor, provides round-the-clock protection, automatically recording any detected disturbances. Seamless loop recording ensures continuous coverage without the hassle of manual file management, automatically overwriting older files when storage is full. Seamless loop recording means you'll never run out of storage space, ensuring you're always covered. Built-in GPS functionality offers real-time trip data and crucial post-accident information, all while respecting your privacy and data security. The built-in GPS not only tracks your route, but also provides essential data for insurance claims, making it an invaluable tool for every driver. In-app control and footage sharing simplify post-accident procedures, allowing for quick and easy insurance claims processing. The seamless integration with mobile devices for real-time viewing and the added safety features like parking mode and event recording offer a well-rounded performance that is hard to beat. Easily control your dash cam and share footage via the 70mm app, compatible with both iOS and Android, making insurance claims smoother and keeping your software up to date. In wrapping up our exploration of the 70mm dashcam, it's clear that this dashcam is a formidable contender in the market. Its blend of aesthetic design, cutting-edge technology, and user-centric features make it a standout product. For anyone serious about their road safety and looking for a dashcam that goes beyond mere recording, the 70mm dashcam is a worthy investment. And remember, those early birds getting their hands on this technology will not only secure a top-notch dashcam, but also enjoy the perks of additional gifts, such as a high-capacity micro SD card, making this an offer too good to pass up. The micro SD card, not included, should have at least a minimum capacity of 16 GB and a U1, UHS-1 speed rating for optimal performance. Have any thoughts or questions about the 70mm dashcam? Let's start a conversation below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this review helpful, consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Your support motivates us to bring more in-depth reviews and tech insights. For those interested in exploring more about 70mm dashcam or considering making a purchase, we've included links directly to the product pages on Amazon below. Thanks for watching.